Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your phone number alias on your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Now, in the Account Info section, click on Edit Account Info. Under Account Aliases section, click on the Remove button next to your phone number. Click on Remove to confirm. That's it. Phone number alias has been removed from your Microsoft account. Now click on Add Phone Number to add a new phone number. Enter your new phone number. Click Next. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone. Click Next. That's it. New phone number alias has been added to your Microsoft account. This is how you can change your phone number alias on your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.